What's up, guys? Day 13. Scheduled for. Oh. Anyways, I late stream today because I was doing some very boring stuff, not on stream, and that boring stuff was since I'm pretty much done with this project, I went through, actually made a README, went through, added like some docs for the backend stuff. Like if I go to one of these files now, there's actual like docs of what the stuff is. This took forever. It was very boring, and I didn't want to stream it because I kind of just did it passively throughout the day. I'm thinking before I start LeetCode, I might ask people. I was thinking of going on the Go Reddit and asking people for feedback on the back end. Oh shit, what's up, Caesar? I was thinking of going on the Reddit, like for Go, and being like, hey, can you guys help me with this backend code of like for structure and stuff? It's purely because it works. I made it. However, I don't know if it's very like Go-y. I kind of want feedback. So, I don't know. Might get nuked to hell, but I think it's worth trying. I don't even know how do you post? Create a post. I've never posted on Reddit before. What should I say? First project with backend in Go. Would love feedback. Had a look and thought it was alright. Hey, I appreciate it. I feel like this is like the best people to ask though, because they're probably just gonna be mean to me, which is like kind of what I want. Hello all. I'm asked though. Brother, you can't be more asked than me. Hello all. Recently I took on a full stack personal project and decided to write backend in Go with no prior experience in the language. It is now fully complete and functional. However, I feel as if I did not follow all the right semantics that come with Golang. Would love feedback. No matter how brutal. Still new to programming and especially Golang, but loved it and want to improve. What are the rules? Okay. It seems safe. It seems like I can post this. Alright. Check back in this later. Let's hope I don't have a glaring issue in this, because if I do, I'm going to be very sad. Anyways, plan for today, obviously LeetCode. Then once I'm nice and frustrated, as always, because I hate LeetCode, do some zigglings, because I actually very much enjoyed it. I actually worked on like 5-ish exercises, because I was just like, I have time, might as well. And then I kind of have to decide what I want my next project to be. I wrote down a couple stuff on my phone. Let me see. On like my notes app of things I could write. Zig ideas. Kind of, dude, a ray tracer would kind of be hype. I don't think you could SQL inject because I'm using Gorm. I don't think so. I hope not. That'd be sad. But the thing is also that I was kind of Like, even if someone really manages to completely fuck with my database, like, completely realistically, all that's gonna mess up is like people's user preferences, which doesn't matter because I had like 2 users and one of them was me. Or like the all items thing, because everything else gets scraped daily. So like all items just means I could go backwards and just scrape a bunch of new stuff. Like it doesn't matter. The database is so like little. I'm not like storing people's stuff besides user preferences, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, Zig ray tracer, which actually kind of sounds hype. I kind of want to do that. File compression, like I think first we do like a terminal snake game. Could be cool. Or implement HTTPS. Seems cool. So I think I'm going to go with one of those. One of my friends also had another full stack project that I'm probably going to start in 2 or 3 days. Yeah, ray tracer sounds really interesting. That's kind of what I'm thinking. I'm thinking right now I go LeetCode, zigglings, maybe 20 exercises. Keep going with it because they are really fun. And then start the terminal snake game. Because that should probably take a day or 2. And then ray tracer is kind of like a back burner, like that's going to take a long time. Because I also have a full stack project that my friend wants me to do with like a matching service that actually sounds pretty cool. But I'm pretty tired of React and front end stuff just because I've been doing a lot of it and I don't really enjoy it, you know? So that's the plan. But as always, we have to torture ourselves before doing anything, which means LeetCode. Why does it have to be hard every day? Let me see if I have any. If it's a dynamic programming thing, yeah, fuck that. Recursive DP, we'll look at that at the end. Also, something I was thinking about when I was like reflecting on doing LeetCode for almost 2 weeks straight now. I think I really should, before going to any of these, like fully read a blog or something about like the data structure, like in its whole, in completion, so I can really like understand it. Because for some of these like 2-pointers, stacks, like I know what they are and I can intuit it for the most part, but especially like linked lists I fully understand, and trees I pretty much get. But it's like some of this stuff I just don't remember because I took DSA a year ago. Transition my full stack projects into temple to yeah, yep. You and I, we're locked in, bro. We are one and the same. Alright, so I think I'm just going to go with some linked list problems. So I've been doing a couple of them. Maybe hit up a binary search problem. I don't want to do a 2-pointer. Let's go with trapping rainwater. It's a hard, but that doesn't sound too hard. Never mind, that so does look hard. We'll see. I'm just going to open a couple, see what I'm feeling like. Add 2 numbers. LRU Cache, that sounds really fucking cool, actually, ironically. Put in a binary search problem. Okay. Oh, I need to like mentally prepare for this. Come on, Aiden. Get your hour in. I will get a job. I actually haven't even applied to any jobs in like the past 2 days, simply because nothing is like opening up. Actually, what's up, Rohan? Thanks for stopping by again, man. Okay. You're given 2 non-empty linked lists, L1 and L2, which represent non-negative integer. Sure, the digits are stored in reverse number, because of course they are. Okay, actually that does help, because then you can set a carry bit. Each of the nodes contains a single digit, you may assume. Okay. And are they always guaranteed to be the same length? Yes. Wait, no. From the looks of the examples they are. Are they always the same length? Don't know. So I don't know if we can depend on it. Because it just says L1 and L2. Surely that means they're equal, right? I'm going to go under the assumption that it's equal because I have nothing in the problem that tells me they're not. And the two examples are, and these things are. So if they're not, such as life, I'll deal with that later. So my first idea is just obviously, while both of them, get the thing and then always carry, like have a carry bit, and just create a linked list through it. And then, like we can do, at 1, 4 is like a bad idea, but if it's like something like 3 and 9, we add that, so the addition would be 12. We then do 12 plus carry 12. It's got to be like, is it just 12 plus carry mod 10? And then carry is set to 1 if carry is just YOLO 2 loops and GG on God. And then no, it's carry plus equals 1. Okay, I mean it doesn't seem that hard. Famous last words. I need to also create a list, which for some reason always fucks me up. Right? That's fine. Okay, this reminds me of the PTSD of remembering the current pointer an hour later. First off, what's up, Lauren? Second off, remembering the current pointer an hour later. I don't know what you mean. And I'm just going to pray that I don't have to know what you mean. Okay. Sum equals L1 dot val plus L2 dot val. Dummy dot next equals a list node with value of sum mod 10. And then we have plus carry. And then what do we need to do? We need to update the carry bit now. Pointers as a cat. Oh, as a category, yeah. Wait, so I'm assuming that means then they're not always going to be equal. Fuck. Equal length. I'll do it that after. Right now, let's just get the logic down. So we have current sum is the vals plus the carry. So say this is like 9 and 9. We would put down 8, carry 1. Say it's 9 and 9 again. We would then... is the carry always going to be 1? 1 or 0? Yeah. Yeah, because it can never be 2. Because even if you use it... Yeah. Let's see what this very basic solution gets me. What the fuck is that output? 11 killed? I killed 11 people! What does this mean? What do you mean I killed 11? Chat, someone help me, I'm scared. You had to make... What does that mean? I'm taking my code and I'm going to LeetCode. If it gives me the same thing, then I know I'm proper fucked. Killed process? Yeah, but why? Oh god, the percentage is so bad, so that means there are a bunch of edge cases. That's scary. Okay, but wait, why? Oh, because L1 and L2 have to go to L2. Yeah. Okay, I'm at least getting a wrong answer. Wait, was that the reason? Whatever, actually, I don't care. I'm just going to do it in this. Okay, why am I getting a wrong answer? Oh, is it because I have to then reverse it? Oh, no, it's greater than or equal to. Yeah, so they can be mismatched size. Isn't that just great? Oh, well, LeetCode. Why didn't you tell me that it can be mismatched size? Okay, but if they're mismatched size, it's actually not that hard. Because we would just do, there's definitely a better way to do this, but whatever. We can take most of this. And essentially like the same thing for L2. Guys, it's technically O of 1. Shut up that I have 3 while loops. You know nothing about good programming. Wrong answer again. Okay, but why? Oh, and then just if carry. If there's still a carry, then we hit it with that was actually very easy. I can't lie. Very intuitive. But what is the right way of doing it? I guess you can just combine them all into one loop. Yeah, that's fair. But it's pretty much the same thing. Yeah, same thing. Slay. I guess I should have marked it as done. I can do it from here. Okay. LRU Cache. We're moving. Implement the LRU Cache class. Oh, what? I like how I clicked on this saying, I thought it'd be cool, and then I read the first fucking line, and I was like, what? Okay. So initialize the LRU cache of size capacity. Return the value corresponding to the key if the key exists. Otherwise, return -1. Update the value of the key if the key exists. Otherwise, add the key pair to the cache. If the introduction of a new pair causes the cache to exceed the capacity, remove the least recently used key. What the fuck? How can you do this shit in O of 1? So we're gonna have to keep track of least used as like God damn it, I hate when a problem is interesting but hard as hell. Cache validation, I guess, yeah. I have never done anything with related to caches. Isn't that cool? I wonder if anyone's nuked my Reddit question. Nope. Nothing. No one's commented. Damn it. Okay. So how did I even do this? So insert into table if not found and match otherwise. Yeah, but I'm supposed to use a linked list. I'm supposed to use a linked list. Because I know for normal caches you use a dictionary, like a map. Could have sworn I put Excalibur. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. LRU cache. So when we run the init with a capacity, like I'm assuming that just like creates nodes until like capacity. Or is that stupid? I don't know either, but I'm trying to figure out why. Like, why is this a linked list? Actually, fuck it. I don't even want to know why. Show me why. I'm not gonna figure it out myself. I don't give a fuck. Oh, a doubly linked list? Yeah, fuck all that. Fuck all that, bro. Fuck all that. I'm not writing a doubly linked list right now. What's up, Pigeon? I saw 3 of you today. That's a bad joke. I'm sorry. Awful joke. Didn't like it at all. Anyways. You're given an m by n 2D integer array matrix and an integer target. Each row in matrix is sorted in non-decreasing order. Just say ascending. Just say ascending. Just say ascending. First integer of every row is greater than the last integer of every row. Oh, it's greater than the last integer of the previous row. Okay. So we're getting bigger. We're getting bigger. Okay. Only 3? Dude, Florida has like an incredible amount of crows and not pigeons. Was that at lunch? Those bitches were cawing, bro. Okay. So obviously this is just binary search. And I think what you're supposed to do is you binary search. I hate going to the draw thing because drawing with a trackpad like actually is so annoying. So I think I'm just going to try to stick here. I'm imagining we go to the middle row first, and then we check. Like, I'm imagining you go rows first. Just search running in the corner of the matrix. So what are you guys doing? Like, what's the project? That is a great question. So I just finished up my kind of bigger project, and food. I'm trying to learn Zig right now. So after LeetCode, I'm going to go through the zigglings exercises, like 20 of them, and then kind of just freeballing it. I might make like a terminal snake game in Zig. I want my next project to be in Zig. So I might make a terminal snake game. Might do something way bigger and follow like a ray tracer type tutorial. Learn some shit. It's pretty up in the air. Pretty up in the air right now. But always in the beginning of every stream, for all 13 days, I do like an hour to-do app. Dude, honestly, I mean, when it comes to like first trying like out a new language, like, no, the project doesn't really need to be that complex if you just want, like, I'm just trying to learn the basic structure of Zig because it looks really cool. Good luck. Thank you, man. Thank you. Okay, back to this. You were saying searching corners, but my brain first went to search, like... Actually, since it's a cube, can we always just search the middle term? Because, like, we'd go to the middle of this-ish, so, like, 11-ish. I always read Terminal Flappy Bird? Real? I could try that. That actually sounds really cool. Wait, let's do that then. That sounds fun as fuck. Okay, anyways, back to this. I'm thinking search first element until we find... No, but that doesn't really make sense. Place 1, 1, 2, 2. What you mean, fool? Place 1, 1, 2, 2. Huh? Like, what is the true binary search here? Equivalent. Because I was thinking binary search the rows, and then once you find the right row, binary search the column. Right? Or is that just bad? I don't know. Because if you binary search the rows, that's... like, if you're going off the first positions. Because what you can do is, it's like... is as long as you're not in... if you're in, like, one of the middle rows, you can check, like, if the target is greater than the one on the far left, and it's less than, like, the next row, and greater than, like, the row behind its last element. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. Use eigenvalues? Fuck that. What the hell? Get that linear algebra shit out of here. Hell no. Hell no. I'm not one of those CS plus math people. That's for goddamn sure. Okay. How do I do this actually? That works though? Does it? I don't even know what the fucking eigenvalue is. All I know is it's linear algebra, and I'm not touching that. Nope. Not in my current state. Maybe later on. Okay, but what is my low and high? I guess I want to do like a current like a row low and high and a column row and high. If I'm going with like the idea that I'm thinking about. We'll try it. Let's try it. Hey. Line and length are 2, right? Why wouldn't it be, if I want like the rows, why would it not be 0 in length? I'm gonna just try some shit. I'll look at chat in a second. Wait, what is the basic, like, what's the basic while condition again? I kind of forget. I did this like really late last night. Yeah, it's just while I was greater than high. Okay, I'm right. That's so real, Caesar. That's so fucking real. One time I did something like to initialize like a 2D. I was like, none times n, and then like that times m or something, and I like did not realize that it creates like they're all the same reference. Oh, dude, kill me. And nope, wrong language. Greater than or equal to? Yeah. I'm going to join you on this mission. Hey, let's go, man. Every day, baby. Should not make this shit harder than it's. That's what I'm saying. LeetCode a day keeps the unemployment away. Brother, I wish I could say that. However, it's been 13 days and the unemployment's still here. Okay, anyways. Alright, actually, you know what I should do? Let me make 2 while loops. I think that makes more sense in my head for what I'm trying to do. Okay. So, mid equals row low plus row high minus row low by 2. And then we hit it with, oh, we're gonna have to do some bounds checks. Damn. Gotta fix up the resume, then the LeetCode pays off. You know what? I should actually put my resume in. It has like my phone number and email and stuff. I feel like I should make a copy without like my actual details. And then like, you want to do like a roasting session? Let's run that. I think that'd be funny actually. And beneficial. Rohan resume is insane, dude. That dude website was insane. Any recommendations for projects to add to the resume? Dude, I'm the wrong person to ask, bro. I have not gotten a single response from any of the applications I'm sending out. Yeah, that'd probably help a lot for sure. Yeah. I think so. I think that'd be fun. I'll do that after this problem, actually. I'll hide my screen, go into LaTeX, make a copy. Okay. What am I doing here? If row low, if it's greater than 0. Hey, what's up? Wonder if there's a website for example resume. There is, for sure. It's just I don't have stuff that competes with them. What's up, Dethers? And it's less than... for the matrix. This is so bad. This is such a bad way of doing this. I'm pretty much just always wanting to check, like, if I can, like, if the number is greater than or equal to it. And, like, it's, like, to make sure I'm on the right row. Yeah. Alright, I need to ignore chat for, like, 2 seconds. You guys are too fun to talk to. It's too distracting. Okay, so for here, if it's greater than the target, we want to move low oh shit, no. No, this is saying that it's like on the target. Shit. I'm doing this wrong, bro. Dude, I wish these are... What's up, Dylan? How's the intern recruiter season? Dude, it's spanking me behind the head, bro. Press yourself to talk before typing every line. Yeah, it's true. Yeah, hop on pitch and start grinding, bro. Basically what I was thinking is, like, I was trying to see, so to know if we're in the right row, right? The target can be in the row and be greater than the 0th element, because I don't want to iterate through everything. So what I was thinking is just, like, if the 0th element, if it's greater than or equal to the target, and it's less than, like, the next row, then it has to be on that row, right? So then we break, because we found it. Like, I don't know, assumed row, something like that. Then we can say, like, assumed should it be none? Sure, they will find it. Because I'm trying to, pretty much the whole thing is, like, I'm going to binary search one time to find it in the row. And then within that row, I'm going to binary search the columns. Is the thought process. So then I should also add that we got to check, like, the one before it. This is such a bad if statement, but, you know, do I care? Not really. If the one before it is greater than the target. Wait, no. So we want this one to be on the right row, we want it to be less than the target. But no. We want the following one to be greater than the target, the lower one to be less than the target. As fast as hell, pigeon. No, I'm good. I'm gonna keep trying it myself. You saw that shit fast as hell. Eigens, yeah. If it's equal, it should return. That's spaced, actually. I have a physics background. Makes sense, brother. Makes sense. Well, I do not. Okay. No, but the equals should be fine, actually. Fuck you. I should actually early return. Whatever, I don't care. I'm just gonna try to get something accepted. So if the matrix after it is greater than this target and the matrix before it is less than the target, then it's at that row. This is so shit, actually. Now let me look at the hints. There's gonna be so much stuff. Dude, okay. The hints tell me exactly what I was doing, but I'm just running from the grind. 14 or 16-inch Mac, I was looking at 2 models. Is there a way for me to find that? I have a 13.6. So probably 14. Quite nice for school, I would say. Quite nice for school. That's all I got it for. It fits in my backpack nice. Okay. So we do need to do what I'm doing. Should make this target row, not assumed. Else if I had to like this is so stupid. Why am I doing it like this? Alright, I think it's kind of fruitless for me to just try to code this whole thing out and error it. I already understand like how to do it. Is that stupid? Because I feel like I'm wasting time right now. Because I just don't know how to efficiently write this in like the syntax. I'm just trying to run from the grind, bro. Matrix. Okay, so when would we move the things? We would move it if, like, if this is true, so if it's greater than or equal to the target and the next one is greater than or equal to the target, then we need to increment the column. We need to increment the low. to be mid plus 1. And then high stays the same. Actually, I don't think we need to check this. This is wrong. It should be if the target is greater than or equal to This is stupid, bro. This is stupid. I'll look at the solution. Anyways, let me look at this. On these streams, do you only LeetCode or code projects too? I code projects majority of the time. The first hour is me struggling like a limp dog through LeetCode problems. Have you gotten any interviews at all? Nope. Initialize left pointer at index 0 and right pointer. Treat it like a 1D array by indexing in with r times width plus c. Oh, yeah. I remember seeing a graph problem like that. Actually, the thing I remember that from is from a coding train video like a year ago. This is like a very funny thing to look back at, but like one of the maze algorithm things, like one of the first things I did. It was like index or something. Yeah. This is like the equivalent of r times width plus c. That's funny. Anyways, let's look at this and move on. Rows, cols, top, bottom. Holy shit, I overcomplicated the fuck out of this. Send me your resume and email me on LinkedIn for a referral. I would love that. How can I get that to you? Or my LinkedIn is in the description. I'd love to connect, Dylan. Would love that. I'm shocked that you see this level of awful coding in LeetCode. And you're like, I'll give him a referral. You're a nice guy, man. Okay. Well, top is less than or equal to row. Okay, so it's just binary searching twice, but for some reason I was too stupid to understand how. If the target is greater than the matrix at the current row's last element. It's so much smarter. Of course you should be looking at the last one for the greater than case, and you should be looking at the first one for the less than case. Brother. That's so sad. Okay, and then if it broke but didn't find the right row, return false. We then reset the row to be the top and bottom, yeah. And then just binary search at the row within the column. Yeah. Yeah, I agree, Caesar. I mean, actually, I kind of agree. There's definitely some merit to, like, improving your pattern matching for sure. But I don't know how much merit. How about is the job market right now? It's just a little hard. It's definitely hard for people without, like, any experience like myself. Because I have all the passion for making projects. I love making projects, and I love computer science. Like, I think I've told this before, but, like, I wanted to go to Indemeki, but then I found CS, and I was like, wait, I can just build shit? Like, the equivalent, like, I wanted to go into Indemeki because I love building shit. I was like, wait, I can build shit online? Sold. I want to have a job and then worry about coding. Yeah. Yeah, I agree. It is not fun. However, Russell CEO applies to a lot of tweets and they're hiring, so that's an opportunity. I was thinking about that. I need to like start a Twitter and like I made like my first Reddit post. I don't think anyone has replied, but like asking for feedback on this project. No one has looked at it. A lot of people have looked at it, but no one has commented. But I just need to like get myself out there. Yeah, I did projects all day and did no LeetCode, and I got an interview question wrong, so I got a job. See, that's how I'm trying to be, bro. Most important part of being able to identify the solution, but making it will rarely. Yeah, exactly. I tend to agree with you guys completely. I've said this before, though, but my only worry, and the only reason I spend like the first hour, I haven't even really done problems because I get distracted by talking to you guys because it's way more fun, is just like if I get an interview, which will be rare because I just don't get responded to. My resume's not good enough. Like, I don't want the reason that I don't get a job be because I didn't like grind enough. He also shares a lot of projects and creators on his account. Hey, this thing is hosted on Vercel. Does that count for something? Surely that counts for something. Give me a job. Okay. Let me read this. I did read this. The thing I missed was that I should have been checking the last element, for sure. That is the thing that I missed. Because if the target is greater than the current matrix is like end last position, wait, why are we moving top to there though? The target is less than the matrix at the current row. So if it's less, wouldn't it be lower? Whatever. Tweet at him? Dude, I might just have to. Hey, I feel you about the resume level. I'm in the same boat. Yeah, exactly. Also, what's up, Darren? I haven't seen you yet. Networking is more important than grinding low-key. Yeah, of course. It was the end of the year, so hopefully next year it gets better. Yeah. Networking is super important. That's why do you guys think I'm streaming? I'm trying to get myself out there. I am an introvert at heart, and none of my family has any CS connections. They're all like creatives. So I have no Nepo power. I'm starting with 0 network. Added you on LinkedIn. I will add you back at the end of this stream if that's okay. But thanks, man. I appreciate it a lot. Okay. The thing I am kind of like brain farting on is like, why are we moving top to row +1 if the target is greater than the matrix at the current row? Because like to me, that's saying like, I don't have anything actually drawn on this. I wish they gave the examples in here. So like if target is greater than the matrix at the bottom row, then top equals the, so like if target is greater than this, then why are we moving the top half to here? Like wouldn't that change the bottom? My company opens space, I'll hit you up. Say thank you a lot. Thank you guys. You guys are all so kind. So kind, so kind. Can somebody explain this to me? As you guys are saying, like, you'd give me opportunities? Probably in like a year. Hopefully I'm employed, bro. Okay, but what am I missing here? Because if the target is greater than the current, like, row that you're checking at the end point, like, so you have something like, so like, oh, why can't I scroll? Just let me scroll. So say we're here, like that's our middle, and target is greater than this. Like, that's a bad example. Like, why would we move our top down? Why would we move our top down? I thought, like, if we know that target is greater than this, then why wouldn't we move our bottom up? My face is covering it. Holy shit, you're right. Right, can I scroll? You're right. You're right. Sorry, I was not looking. So I was saying, like, if we're at 5, and our target is, say, like, 10, then we know our target is greater than this. So why is our top now going to be moved to this? Oh my god, it indexes downwards. Wait, is that what I'm missing? No, but I thought if the target is greater, then you would be moving the bottom one. Because, like, if it's here, why wouldn't I make the bottommost one this? Like, my question is, if this is what I'm comparing to, and I know that I'm greater than this, and my low is here and my high is here, why wouldn't I make my low here? Is this just like a fundamental misunderstanding that I have? Because top is ceiling? Oh, the variable names are just fucking me. Yep. The variable names are just fucking me. Okay, cool. So I don't have a fundamental misunderstanding. I just, in my mind, top is like the uppermost value. Okay. Okay, I appreciate you. Okay, then I understand this. Then I understand. I understand it now. Okay. Oh, God. From that to a hard. How long have I been doing this? 57 minutes? Yippee! And I have 2 hards. Bro. Okay. I'm telling you, I'm not in the headspace to do a hard right now. So let's do something else. Just makes a window of possible values anyway. Yeah. Let's do something else. Let's do something else, because I want to. Do I got anything left in the trees? I don't know, bro. Because I haven't read enough about this stuff. Let's just do a linked list problem. I already did this. Okay. Why wasn't it marked then? Copy list with random pointer. You are given. If you've seen this. Brother, you didn't copy anything. Hello, what's up? Oh wait, if you were showing me a link. Made a multiplayer game from scratch because no one is hiring you. Oh yeah. That one was fucking sick. I'm pretty sure I got a job from that too. There's also like this other one where some dude made like a Steam Deck equivalent, like from an old laptop, and then at the end he was like, "Hey, by the way, I don't have a job. Someone hire me." And I was like, "That's fucking sick." Okay, you're given the head of a linked list, and unlike a singly linked list, each node contains an additional pointer random, which may point to any node in the list or null. Create a deep copy of the list. The deep copy should consist of exactly n new nodes, each including the original val of the copied node, a next pointer to the new node corresponding to the next pointer of the original node, a random pointer. Oh, interesting. Okay, and the reason it's a deep copy is because at some point you're going to have a pointer Like, if you take this one and the random one is like 5, 5 doesn't exist yet. Interesting. Yeah, I saw it too. He was... Dude, the laptop specs were 6. What's up, Ark? Is it worth getting a minor in CS if I hate coding, but I want to do it for jobs projects? Doing it for electrical engineering? I think the answer to that is fully depends on how easy it is to get a CS minor in your position. Because, like, I know at least at Northwestern, a CS minor is, like, pretty cupcake to get. It's, like, 8 relatively easy classes that, like, you could overload with. So I don't know. Is LeetCode necessary when the job is literally creating websites? You're asking the wrong guy. I don't know. I've never had a CS job. Alright, technically I've entered at a startup, but, like, I didn't do any LeetCode for that. I don't know. I'm just doing this to... I don't know why I'm doing this, actually. Okay. Return the head of a copied linked list. In this example, the linked list is represented on a list of n nodes. Each node is represented as a pair. Okay. Val, random index, or ven. Okay. Okay. So, my thought for this is we keep a tracker of what iteration we're on. Like, or no, we could keep like a map that maps like value to value of the original one. So then, no, because then we're going to need to make another pass. Trying to think of ways that, like, because like I said earlier, the problem is that, like, if 7's random points to 5, 5 doesn't exist yet, so, like, we'd have to initialize it at that stage, but then when we go to 7's next, we get to 4, and 4's next is 5, but we need to know that 5's already been initialized and point it to that one. What's your GitHub? It's in my description. What language is this? This is Python. Yeah, I'm in college. CS precious McDonald's. Dude, on fucking God. Oof, I'm taking DSA 1 next class. Tweaking. C++ isn't that bad. It's not that bad. No languages are that bad, especially for in-class stuff. You can always learn some basic syntax. Okay, so how can I keep track of something that I initialize? Like, what happened? What's in my mind is that can values be present twice? So one option is to do it in 2 passes, where on the first pass you only initialize the values, and if you only initialize the values with no random, like you just get the next structure in, then everything is initialized. No, but how can you keep track of what pointers need to go to what? How can you keep track of where the pointers should be if you don't initialize them on first pass? Go ball, bro. How can we keep track? Okay. Because, like, you want to do, start with 3. You want to initialize both 3's next,